Student loan forgiveness has been a hot topic lately after the Supreme Court turned down President Biden's plan. He's now looking into other options. Our White House correspondent, Laura Figueroa Hernandez, is working on this story for us. So this is being called President Biden's kind of Plan B. Laura, explain to us what this new plan would entail.
So the president and White House officials argue that they still do have the power to offer or extend some sort of debt loan forgiveness program. And they're going to try to do that through the Higher Education Act. They're going to try to amend some of the rules, go through a different rulemaking process, and hopefully be able to revive their plan that initially would have offered up to $20,000 in debt loan forgiveness for most American borrowers who earn under $125,000.
Well, people are divided on this topic. I mean, obviously it was turned down by the Supreme Court. Is there a chance the same could happen with this new plan and it doesn't move forward?
Well, if you ask the president and if you ask White House officials, they argue that they're on sound legal footing here. They argue that the Higher Education Act does give them the authority to set policy on federal student loans. Obviously, there will be some legal challenges, as there always are with these kind of sweeping initiatives. So it's kind of wait and see at this point.
So what are the next steps for the Biden administration immediately here? We do have an election coming up, and this is something that he campaigned on.
I think we'll see more of the president talking about his effort initially to offer this debt relief and now this effort to revive it. I think we're going to hear more of him saying it's not over, we'll continue. The question now that remains is whether this plan will actually be delivered by election time. You know, officials are saying that it could take months for this plan to even be put forward. So we'll just have to wait and see.
All right, we've got a ways to go, a long process ahead of us, but we will be keeping everyone updated as we go along. Thank you, Laura.